What is sound blending? Sound blending is the ability to build words from individual sounds by blending the sounds together in sequence. In order to read words, students must know the sounds for each of the letters. Then, blend the sounds together to determine the word. Students who have strong phonological awareness skills demonstrate better literacy skills. Sound blending is essential in reading. We're going to practice blending of sounds. Let us have our examples. Can you guess this word? S, p, a, t. S, p, a, t. The word was spot. Spot. D, a, d. D, a, d. The word was dad. Dad. K, a, t. K, a, t. The word was cat. Cat. W, e, n, d. W, e, n, d. The word was wind. Wind. T, e, p. T, e, p. The word was tip. Tip. Als. Als. Wave. Wave.